Okay, welcome back to my channel. So I think this is the fourth or fifth video I'm doing under elasticity in physics. So if you have not watched the previous video, make sure you watch them and understand. So let's use calculation. Note this question is under elasticity in physics. So a stone of mass 20 gram a stone of mass 20 gram is released from a catapult whose rubber has been stretched to 4 centimeters. Okay, if the force constant of the rubber is 200 nm raised to minus 1, calculate the velocity with which the stone leaves the catapult. So we are asked to calculate for the velocity. Okay, in my previous video I told you, I said if the constant is given, then use a particular formula which is k e square over 2, but if the constant is not given, use f e over 2. So don't worry, let's continue. Solution. So here we are asked to calculate for the velocity, right? So the constant is given. So we are going to use two formulas and compare them together. So we have k e square over 2 equal to mv square over 2. You know this is the formula of kinetic energy, isn't it? Formula of kinetic energy, mv square over 2. So here the first constant is given. So k equal to, look at it, 200, which is the first constant, 200 n, so minus 1, and the extension, look at the extension here, 4 centimeter. I've told you before, if you want to do any calculation, you have to convert this centimeter to what, meter, by dividing the number 4 over 100, okay, so equal to 0.04 meter, right? So the second one is 0.04 meter, okay? So this one, look at this one now. Our m is given, because m is equal to, look at it, 20 gram or 20 g. So we have to convert this g to what, kilogram, by dividing it by 1000, cancel. So we are left with 0.02 kilogram. So this is our mass, right? So our v is the equation. So I getting this now. So the v is the equation which calculates for the velocity. So we have this formula, k e square over 2 equal to m v square over 2. So we have the constant is k is 200. Look at it here, 200 times our extension, look at it as 0.04, 0.04 square all over 2 equal to the mass is 0.02, 0.02 v square all over 2. Okay, we have 200 times 0.04, 0.16. So if 0.04 square, then you multiply it by 200 divided by 2 to give you 0.16. Okay, so equal to 0.02 divided by 2. So 0.02 divided by 2 will give you 0.01 v square equal to v. So v square equal to 0.16 divided by 0.01 to give you, so v square equal to 16. So v equal to square root of 16 equal to 4. 4 meter per second. So it's 4 meter per second. So do you understand? It's very simple. So if you don't understand, you can rewatch the video. So if you want to convert gram to kilogram, divide that particular number by 1000 to give you the result. Then centimeter to meter, divide that number by 100. Okay, so it's very simple. Look at this calculation, very simple. So if you don't understand, you can rewatch the video, you can rewatch it, look it very well. So anything you don't understand, drop it on the comment section. Okay, I will respond. If you are watching on YouTube, click on that subscribe button. It's free. You are not paying any money. Okay, it's free. So just click on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Okay, don't miss my videos. Okay, if you're watching on Facebook, please follow my page and share my videos. Help me by sharing my videos. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.